Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the subtitles, font and the color and other options available on Netflix on your smart TV. So let's play any video, and if you want to change, add or remove the subtitles, what you can do is once the video is start playing, you can just pause it and go to this others option, and here you have the subtitle section where you can turn off or turn on the subtitles by selecting the available languages of subtitles you have. So right now I have English and Hindi as two subtitle languages. So if I choose English, the subtitle will start playing in English. And if I want to customize it further, what I can do is I can just go to the scale icon at the bottom, and here I can choose the size of the subtitles and how it should look. So this is the size of subtitles, and this is the default medium size. And apart from that, we can also choose how the subtitle should look with the background and other style. So in this way you can customize the subtitles on your Netflix app in a smart TV. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.